Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve typing speed. First, focus on accuracy over speed. Correct finger placement on the home row is crucial for building muscle memory. Ensure your wrists are straight and your fingers are curved naturally. Practice typing without looking at the keyboard to develop touch typing skills. This foundational approach will set you up for significant improvement. To truly boost your speed, consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to typing exercises. Online typing tutors offer guided lessons and track your progress, which is incredibly helpful. Start with simple words and gradually move to more complex sentences. This repetition helps your fingers learn the keyboard layout without conscious thought, making your typing more fluid. Ergonomics play a vital role in both speed and comfort. Position your keyboard and mouse to minimize wrist strain and ensure your chair supports good posture. Taking short breaks every 30 to 60 minutes can prevent fatigue and repetitive strain injuries. Remember, consistent, mindful practice is far more effective than sporadic, intense sessions. Small, regular efforts add up to big improvements. Once you've mastered the basics, challenge yourself with typing games and speed tests to push your limits. Exploring alternative keyboard layouts, such as Dvorak, might offer further efficiency gains for some users. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day for optimal focus and energy. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your words per minute soar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.